Now, skin barrier and skin barrier friendly creams, serums is a topic of the town, especially in today's skincare community. And in this video, I'm going to talk about some of the skin barrier creams slash serums or products available in India, which you can easily buy. And also, I'm going to talk about what is skin barrier, how can you identify a skin barrier problem, and what exactly the term skin barrier means. So stay tuned till the end to know everything that you need to know about skin barriers, what are the products available in India, and how you can potentially cure your skin barrier problems. Hey guys, if you are seeing this face for the very first time, hi, I'm Moitri Haldar. I do make a lot of beauty related content mixed with a couple of contents that I really like. So if you are into that genre, then do consider subscribing and hitting on that bell notification to get notified every time I upload. Also, do not forget to follow me in my social media accounts where I'm the most active and you get to be a part of what goes into my videos, especially my Instagram, where I do a couple of live sessions to answer back to all of your skincare or other concerns. Now, if you want to skip to the recommendation part and actually me talking about the products that are available in India, you can go directly to this timestamp, and I will also mention it in the bottom box below, including all the product links and the research links that I found in the internet. Now, what does the term skin barrier mean? So before going into skin barriers, we need to know that our skin is made up of layers. Our skin is the most important organ of our body, and it protects basically from everything that is present out there in the environment, such as pollution, pathogens, etc., to not enter in your body, and it also helps with the water to not evaporate and make you dehydrate. Now, most of the times when people are talking about skin barrier, the term brick mortar wall comes into the picture. So what exactly is the similarity between a skin barrier and a brick and mortar wall? So the topmost layer of our skin is known as stratum corneum, and it is basically the brick mortar wall. It consists of tough skin cells called as corneocytes, and corneocytes are these bricks of the brick mortar wall, and the mortar part is actually the lipids which holds together the corneocytes, and that together is voila, your skin barrier. So that was a very sweet and short explanation of what skin barrier is. So we often hear a term skin barrier damage or damaged skin barrier. So what exactly damages our skin barrier? There are like a gazillion different reasons of how your skin barrier can be compromised, but the most popular are, first of all, environmental pollution and toxin and pathogens. Second, the most important thing, UV damage. Third, alkaline based products or alkaline based water or anything. Now you might be familiar with low pH and high pH in skincare. So basically too much alkaline can actually harm our skin. So if you want me to make a video on acid mantle, how our skin barrier works, I can do a part 2 of this video, and in that video we can go into more of a nerdy and sciencey stuff. So let me know your thoughts in the comment box below. And then exfoliation and over exfoliation. Exfoliation is necessity, but over exfoliation is what that really harms your skin barrier. Harsh chemicals can sometimes deplete our skin barrier, but I'm not telling you to go to the natural route. You can use chemicals. Chemicals are good for your skin, but if you overdo it, like overdoing actives, it can also lead to skin barrier damage. Then there is stuff like steroids, psychological problem that you might have. Obviously, mental problem is a real deal, and if you suffer from a lot of psychological problems, then your skin exactly shows it. And lastly, genetics. We cannot do anything with it. If you have a genetic concern of psoriasis, atopic dermatitis, you might develop one. It is just like we cannot do anything about it, but we can make it a little bit better. Now, these were all the factors and what is skin barrier. Now, let us talk about how you can actually identify a skin barrier problem. So, first of all, is the most important red alert is your skin will be dry and dehydrated. If your skin is feeling dry and dehydrated even after applying so many good hyaluronic acid based products, so many good occlusives, other concerns such as itchiness, rough patches, inflammation, sensitivity of the skin, bacterial, viral, fungal infection, and lastly, your normal skincare not working for you anymore. So suddenly you wake up one day and you apply the same face wash, same toner, same everything, but you are suddenly getting this inflamed reaction and you are developing a lot of breakouts. That, my friend, is the most important and the most common situation that everybody faces. So yeah, these were some of the like SOS kind of triggers that might help you to identify if you have a skin barrier problem or not. Now, coming to the most exciting part, which is the recommendations part. Now, in the market there are a lot of like good products that are meant for skin barrier, but not all of them are budget friendly, and also I have not tried a lot of them, but these are the products I have personally personally tried. 90% of them are fragrance free, but some of them are fragrance but also are affordable. And PS, some of the products that I will mention might scream a word called as nostalgia. Now coming on to the first product, which is Physiogel. Now this particular product has been raging in the internet since the skincare community has really boomed up in India. This particular product has saved me from a lot of like skin barrier or itchy situation problems, or me trying out a heck lot of product for you guys and breaking out severely. This particular barrier cream can be easily found in any chemist shop. I have went to 3 chemist shop. I have found this particular product in all of them. If you can't find it, all of the links would be in the description box, but this one is meant for combination normal to dry skin. Now any type of barrier creams, if you are familiar with using them, the barrier creams mostly contain a lot of lipid barrier friendly ingredients mixed with couple of skin barrier friendly ingredients and a lot of emollients, cholesterol, and a lot of skin soothing elements. This particular cream, anytime I have an inflamed skin, even my KP, when it inflares and becomes red, I apply this cream and it just vanishes. The redness just diminishes. This particular cream I think retails for about 490 rupees, 500 rupees, I'm not sure, but you get about 50 gram of product, and this is one of the best barrier creams available in India. Now this one doesn't contain any form of fragrance, colorants, or irritants. I think dermatologists also suggest this to babies, if I'm not wrong. If you are going to apply this to a baby, just make sure go to a dermat or go to a doctor and just get consulted. Do not be a doctor. My next pick is a very affordable pick, but it does contains fragrance, so fragrance alert. This cream is from a brand called as Lipid, and this is basically their lipid barrier cream. Now this particular cream retails for something about 250 rupees, 300 rupees, I'm not sure. It does contains fragrance, but it is very mild. But I have been using this for both my face and body. I have not faced any kind of inflamed skin situation. It also has a very nice cooling effect, like very calming effect to your skin. It is also meant for, I will say, combination normal to dry skin, not necessarily oily skin. But yeah, this particular cream also gives you a very nice shiny and glossy look without making you oily, and this is also very affordable. You get about 50 gram of product, and I think it's a bang for your buck if you are not allergic to fragrance. Now coming to the next product, which is this particular serum cream slash product. This is basically the Cica and Ceramide serum from Dr. Sheth. Now they do have a fragrance free one now, but I like the fragrance or the rose oil one because I love rose fragrance. But let's talk about the product first. Now this particular serum doesn't have a watery texture. It is more of a cream or light moisturizer kind of a texture. So if you are from oily skin, you are pretty much good to go just applying this. But if you are combination normal to dry skin, you might want to top it off with a good moisturizer. Now the reason why I am recommending this is because 99.9% of the barrier creams are made up of ceramides mostly, and ceramides is one of the #1 ingredient to look for if you have any kind of skin barrier issues. And Cica, Centella asiatica, is the holy grail of the K-beauty, J-beauty, any beauty kind of a situation. Cica and ceramide, the combination just works. Every time I have like a pimple or every time I have like inflamed skin, I just apply this serum. I have been using this serum I think in the past year for about 2 times. I purchased this serum for 2 times and I really liked it, and now when they came up with a fragrance free one, it's amazeballs. So if you are not fan of like thick ceramide based creams or barrier based creams, this is potentially a solution for you, and it also is fairly affordable for 950 rupees, and this product lasts me for about 2 months, and I only apply this whenever I have inflamed skin situation. You can also use this as an everyday serum that will overall strengthen your skin barrier and make your skin happy. Coming to the next product, this is also a very famous product. This is from Requel and this is their Atorep Barrier Cream. And this particular product is also meant for normal combination, slightly oily skin, not too much oily skin. This also has a very creamy and emollient texture, but I feel like it does calms down the redness a little bit better than the Physiogel. This also comes in a pump packaging, my favorite packaging, and it also has good ingredients such as ceramides, phytosterols, shea butter, madicasoside, Centella asiatica again, and also prebiotics. So it's a really great choice in terms of any kind of skin barrier problems that you might be facing. Now let's talk about Vaunt BBFF. This particular barrier cream is such a blessing for oily skin people, because most of the barrier creams I have mentioned are more catered towards dry combination, because they tend to be a little bit thick, because you need emollients and occlusive, especially when you have a skin barrier problem. But this particular cream has so many good ingredients. It has bakuchiol, ceramides, amino acid, biopeptide, whatnot, but the texture is something that I'm really going to talk about in this video. This particular cream has a very gel to cream kind of a texture, and it suits oily skin just perfectly. Anytime I feel I am very lazy to applying anything or my skin barrier is compromised, I just go on with this and sleep. That's about it. Even if I'm under AC, it doesn't dehydrates my skin. It has the right amount of emollients, right amount of ingredients. It also comes in a pump packaging. Warmth as a brand is something that I really appreciate. I think I've tried like 2 to 3 of their products and I'm not disappointed with any of their products. This is a little bit expensive. For $7.99 you get about 45 ml, but it's so worth it. It's so nice, and especially if you have oily skin, this is a blessing. Now coming to the last barrier cream that I'm going to mention, like a proper barrier cream, this is from a brand called as Formula RX, and this is by far the best barrier cream available in India. Now this particular cream is also meant for oily and combination and normal skin, but the texture, oh my god, it has like the right amount of emollient, the right amount of gel feeling, and the right amount of ingredients to make your skin just go like calm and smooth and get rid of all the barrier problems. This has a lot of good ingredients. You can see the ingredient list, but I'm going to make a separate video on Formula RX and a lot of different products that I'm going to mention in this video. But this cream, all in all, what I need to say, if you have redness, irritation, it does takes care of all of them. It also comes in a very nostalgic packaging, like aluminum or steel or something kind of a packaging. It reminds me of Boroline, which I'm going to talk about next. But Formula RX is a brand, is something that I'm really curious. Their formulation, their overall texture, and their overall ingredients is something that I'm really excited about. And this particular cream, oh my god, is my savior. I apply this cream as a moisturizer every single day now, because I am facing a lot of skin barrier problems. You can see a chotu sa pimple dropping out right here. That is because me trying a lot of different products. But this particular cream, for anyone who have severely oily skin, it is truly an all skin type friendly moisturizer barrier cream. It comes in a 50-gram packaging and it retails for something about $7.99, $5.99 or something like that. I bought it on a sale for about 500 or 600 rupees, but I think the MRP is about $7.99. Now these two barrier creams is something that you always have in your vanity, especially if you are a Bengali. You know what Boroline is. Now Boroline is something that is very nostalgic to me. If you go to any Bengali household, you will always find a tube of Boroline. I have this small chotu tub of it because I love it so much. It is kind of a lip balm, barrier cream, anything. If you have a cut, wound, you can apply it. This is basically our savior. Now Boroline does have fragrance, but I have never faced, or anyone, if you are a Bengali, I am sure you have never faced any kind of irritancy with this particular product. Now I do not have the full ingredients of Boroline. I don't think they disclose it, but I needed to mention this is because oftentimes we cannot invest in this barrier creams which I have mentioned. They are affordable to me, but they also can't be affordable to majority of the people. I completely understand. So these are the two alternatives that you can easily get in the market, and it also solves your skin barrier. Now mostly your skin barrier problem can be solved by moisturizing your skin and feeding your skin with good ingredients such as ceramides, occlusives, etc. and etc. Boroline is a very occlusive cream. You can apply it as a lip balm, you can apply it on your cuts, wounds, and you can also apply it on the irritated skin. It will heal your skin literally overnight. So Boroline comes in a lot of different variants. You can also try Boro Plus. That is also a great cream. But because I'm a Bengali, I will always suggest Boroline. This is a very nice, like Boroline is the OG lip balm and the OG moisturizer, cream, serum, anything that beauty community in India has ever faced. The second one is Vaseline. This is also a very multitasking product. You can also use this for slugging your skin. If you are not familiar with slugging, I can make a separate video on that. But you can also apply Vaseline on your skin, body, anywhere, and many people will like, petroleum jelly. To those, you can apply Boroline, but Vaseline is also another great occlusive. It is basically petroleum jelly, so it's basically an occlusive protective layer that you put on top of your skin, and that helps your skin to not evaporate water and just heal the skin from within. It just gives a protective layer so that environmental damage cannot penetrate, because when your skin barrier is compromised, it becomes porous. Oh, that was a lot of recommendation, but lastly I have a little bit of tip, a little bit of like personal opinion in terms of if you are a person who is using a retinol or using any kind of anti-aging product regularly. For me, I apply retinol every alternate day now, and for those situations I know skin barrier and retinol doesn't goes together, because retinol is a type of active that can sometimes irritate and potentially make your skin more dehydrated. For those times I will suggest you to invest in a retinol serum that has a cream base or like an emollient base. I have two suggestions for you guys and a very important tip. So I'm going to mention the tip first. If you are using a particular brand, or if you are using a particular product or particular barrier cream from a certain brand, try seeing if they have a retinoid or retinol based product, because oftentimes what I have seen is that product that works well for you, if you buy a certain product from that brand, both of the product just works together. So for me, I have been trying the Dr. Sheth's Rose Up and Retinoid even on my skin barrier problem days. This was the old packaging, this is the new packaging with the fragrance free one. This particular product does really pairs well with this particular serum, and whenever I have skin barrier problems and I want to apply my retinol or retinoid, I just switch over to this combo, and both of them just helps me to first of all target my anti-aging problems, and second to make sure my skin is not irritated. This particular serum from Dr. Sheth, it is slightly expensive but it is very worth it. I have been trying this product a lot, and it also has a very cream based retinoid, and I really like cream based retinol or retinoid serums because retinol is very drying, and I really appreciate a good emollient based retinol. Lastly, I'm going to mention another retinoid which is from Minimalist. This retinoid I've used, I think this is my third bottle. This is also fragrance free. It comes in a pump packaging as same as the Dr. Sheth's one. It also has a very nice emollient base, so you do not face any kind of irritation or redness or itching or dehydration after applying retinoid. So yeah, this was my final tip in terms of how you can incorporate a retinoid serum. But if you are on a budget and you do not want to invest in separate retinol serum, the one tip that I can give to you is first of all, apply the barrier cream, let it sit for about 2 minutes and then apply retinol. Please do not mix retinol with moisturizer. You can do it in initial phases, but if you are an intermediate, you might know that if you mix your retinol with a moisturizer, the application becomes uneven. So first apply the moisturizer, wait for a couple of minutes and then apply retinoid, and that creates a perfect calming background to like your retinol to seep into your skin and work without irritating your skin. So hey guys, this was my video on barrier creams, what are the creams available in India. So I hope if you enjoyed my content, like this video, comment down below any other barrier creams that are available in India that I don't know of, or the creams that I have mentioned have worked for you and you want to share a quick feedback. Share this video to any of your friends who is looking for a good barrier cream and their skin barrier is compromised. And lastly, subscribe to my channel, hit on that bell notification, and I will see you in the next video. So bye bye and take care.